2024 Honda ADV 350 launched at the Malaysia Auto Show and comes in 3 colors: matte gunpowder black metallic, pearl smoky gray, and matte candy tulip red. Positioned between the Honda X-ADV 750 and the Honda ADV 160, the ADV 350 features adventure motorcycle styling. It is powered by a 330 cubic centimeters enhanced smart power single-cylinder SOHC 4-valve and liquid-cooled engine. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel via a CVT gearbox and belt drive. The ADV 350 has a 15-inch front wheel and a 14-inch rear wheel, fitted with 120/70 and 140/70 tires, respectively. It features 2-channel ABS and 2-mode traction control with an off mode. Braking is handled by a single 256mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc. The suspension includes 37mm diameter upside-down forks in the front and preload adjustable twin shock absorbers in the rear. Rider conveniences include a USB charging port, height-adjustable windshield, keyless start, and a 48-liter underseat storage compartment. The ADV 350 weighs 186 kilograms, has an 11.7-liter fuel tank, and a seat height of 795 millimeters. It uses an LCD instrument panel to display information and features LED lighting throughout.